Hi, I'm Sergeant Quinn. Today we'll be going over the M98 Javelin firing procedures and immediate actions for misfire. My AI is stats aren't good.
Alright, task, prepare an M98 Javelin for firing. Perform immediate action procedures for a misfire. Condition, you are a gunner who has been directed to engage enemy targets with your javelin. While engaging targets, you experience a misfire. Standard, prepare to fire in 3 minutes. Perform immediate action procedures for a misfire in 2 minutes. All tasks will be performed in sequence. Station requirements, M98 training javelin with appropriate tools and accessories. Step, prepare to fire. Candidate will start from a standing position next to the javelin on the ground. 1. Prepare the clue. A. Ensure the power switch is in the off position.
Javelin is off.
Install the clue battery.
Batteries installed.
Assemble the javelin. A. Place the round on the ground with the flat sides of the end caps down and latch assembly facing up. Kneel on the left side of the round at the forward end facing forward. C. Remove the forward end cap. Remove the locking pin by pulling straight on the wire rope. Turn the forward end cap latch release counterclockwise. Note, if the forward end cap does not come off, press the manual release button to relieve pressure. 3. Remove forward end cap by lifting the javelin away from the forward end cap. D. Remove the protective covers from the clue interface connectors. Remove the protective covers from the round interface connectors. F. Position protective covers so that they do not interfere while exists placing the round interface bracket in the round hooks. Engage clue and round interference connectors by sliding forward and press down on the clue. Note, round and clue are connected correctly when latch or leaf snap into place. Ensure that the round and the clue are connected. Rock the clue from side to side and pick up the javelin. Position open end forward on the end cap. Power up the clue. Open day sight and NVS lens covers on the clue. Set power switch to the night position.
It is on night.
Note, the clue has 4 modes of operation: off, day, night, which is IR surveillance, and test. Verify the clue indicators are lit.
I see the light.
Note, clue indicators may flash on and off during initial power up. This indicates that the battery needs time to warm up before the clue can power up properly. D. Perform battery warm procedures as required. Turn the power switch to day position for 30 to 60 seconds.
It's on day.
Greater below that 30 seconds has elapsed. Turn the power to the off switch position, then back to the night position.
Clue is off. It is on night.
Repeat warm up if indicators continue to flash. Adjust diopter, adjust ring for best clarity and clue display. Note, the javelin is now prepared to engage the target. 1. Acquire the target.
Target acquired.
Step 2. Lock onto the target.
Locking on.
Next step, squeeze the fire trigger.
Firing.
Grader will state misfire. Misfire, misfire, misfire.
Misfire, misfire, misfire.
Perform immediate action for a misfire. Candidate will start from the last position in the previous task. You will attempt to engage the target again. Release the seeker and the fire triggers.
Trigger and seeker are released.
Reacquire the target.
Acquiring target.
Log onto the target.
Locking on target.
Squeeze the trigger.
Firing.
Grader will state you have a second misfire. Misfire, misfire, misfire.
Misfire, misfire, misfire.
2. React to a second misfire. Disconnect and reconnect the clue from the round. Turn off the clue. Set the javelin on the ground and in the direction of the enemy, with the clue hand grips facing up. Keep the backless area clear. Press the latch release and disconnect the clue from the round. Check for dust, dirt, and debris. Reconnect the clue to the same round. Turn the clue back on.
The clue is on.
Verify clue indicators are lit.
I see the light.
Adjust the diopter ring.
Adjusting.
Attempt to re-engage your first target. Acquire target.
Acquiring target.
Lock onto the target.
Lock on target.
Squeeze the fire trigger.
Firing.
Gradle will state you have a third misfire. Misfire, misfire, misfire.
Misfire, misfire, misfire.
Roll the clue off the shoulder. Turn the clue off.
Clue's off.
Disconnect the clue from the round. Move 25 meters away, or move the round 25 meters away from the firing position. Candidate verbalize a step, stay clear forward and all ends of rounds at all times. Obtain a replacement round. Candidate verbalizes a step. Notify first line supervisor.